G'day viewers, Ivan here from Peak Offroad Equipment, Wetherill Park, Sydney, Australia. We haven't done one of these for a while. We've been locked down through COVID, as you know, here in Australia. I was actually shut for 100 days straight. So hence the videos are all late. And Artie, say hello to Artie.
G'day, g'day.
He's taking the videos again and we're allowed to come and join up. But anyway, we're going to show you what's in the showroom. Since COVID has been on, we've been busy doing new displays. So come follow me. Over here you've got Angry. It's got the Alu-Cab set up and has been for a very long time. Also the Troopy, you've seen a video on that, and Artie will put that link up in the video as the cheapest Troopy conversion and what you need to do for the Troopy conversion for engineering here in Australia. So have a look at that video as well. So as I said, this is the setup here. Also, we have my other build here at the moment. This is all secret squirrel business. You'll be able to see how we're going to have a new product and the drop-down fridge slide. Also, to my left here, we have all the Bush Company tents on display. This one here is the Alpha, the DX27, and over here, the Black Series Max. Now, what also I'm fairly excited about is we've got another Australian tent product here, and that's from Boss Aluminium. Now, Boss Aluminium here in New South Wales, we call them Mexicans because they're south of the border, and they've developed a tent and we've helped a little bit as well. We will be doing a video on that, and that's something to keep an eye on. So over here we have the RT1 Overland. And this is a very robust and big tent. It's our biggest tent here, and it's all Australian made there in Victoria and Melbourne. Up above here we have the standard RT1 with a smaller mattress. This actually has a proper mattress, not to say the least. Also here we have the standard canopy that goes on the style-sized bodies, which are like the tubs here in Australia that we're talking about, and we have an old Alu-Cab tent there to show. Oh, before I keep going, with Boss Aluminium, they're going to be my fourth awning that we sell here. So we do 3 awnings from Bush Company, which is the 180, so 180 degree only, so along the car, a 270, which is the same as the Alu-Cab one, which I'm going to show you here shortly, and the 270 Max, which is on my 6-wheeler Troopy. So with the inclusion of the Alu-Cab awning, the 270 Shadow, and the new Boss Aluminium awning, which is like everything, slowly everything's getting better and better. The weight of it is very light, and they've concentrated on that. Over here we've got the standard one, but going to this one, the standard 3 that people jump in and out of, and here we on display we have the Alu-Cab 3.1. Now the 3.1 is, this is how you buy it, and you can jump in the tent, open and close it as you please, and make sure it's a right tent for you. Also, the thing I took away this weekend, the first weekend we were allowed after 4 months of lockdown, I took the Canopy camper on my Hilux. Artie and I will be doing a video on this one of the interior fit out, and if you want to just have a look, Artie, at if you want to have a look at how I've done it, we've still got one more piece of trim to go over here, and look, this is what I used on the weekend, hence it's so dirty, and we're filming this fairly early in the weekend. The 270 Shadow warning, as always, is quite cool. But now in saying that, we do have restrictions still on here in New South Wales, so you will have to be double vaccinated, and also you'll have to sign in and wear a mask at this stage. Everything is starting to come alive, and we're actually allowed to go and visit places. So please come and visit the showroom. Hopefully you'll get some good advice, and bring your car and your missus, and you can both jump in all the tents and have a look at what we have here to offer. Thank you very much, and you'll be getting some more videos soon, and I hope to see you out there on the trails. Hooroo, guys.